My name is Meta Davidson, and I'm an instructor at the Engineering Academy here at Santa Paula High School. Some of the hands-on activities are building, coding, robotic arms, driving remote control cars, and soldering. In the CAD class, students get to use one of the computer programs to actually design a house, decorate it, and take pictures of the inside of the house.
Some of the things I learned in the academy are using multiple softwares, such as AutoCAD to really draft machine parts, and Revit to give a 3D render of buildings. What excites me about architecture and engineering is the freedom I get with it. I'm able to design and build anything I really want, and it just allows me to have that creative freedom.
I enjoy the way you can learn about soldering, which could actually help you in like a real job, and the field trips that we go on, like Knott's Berry Farm. On Knott's Berry Farm, we ran on a bunch of roller coasters, and after it, we measured like the velocity and the speed for it.
We've learned soldering in robotics, and we've even built motors in our POE class. As I carried on throughout the class, I realized how much I enjoyed the problem solving, how much I enjoyed the building, and how exciting it was to see something that I had created from scratch in my hands working.
We have a dual enrollment class here at Santa Paula High School where a professor from Ventura College comes and teaches AutoCAD, Revit, and SolidWorks, so the students get hands-on experience designing and using the programs, as well as earning college credit. We also have a partnership with the Navy base here in Ventura County, where we select students and they go once a week out to the Navy base and work with engineers, shadow them, and learn about job opportunities at the U.S. Navy. Some of the careers this academy prepares students for are industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, robotics, coding, and civil engineering.
After high school, I hope to go to UC San Diego to study engineering in either electronics or robotics.
After high school, I hope to attend a four-year university majoring in environmental engineering. The best thing about being in an academy like this is the camaraderie, the family that you build. My relationship with my teachers and my fellow peers has lasted all 4 years, and I hope for it to last throughout college.
The academy itself is really fun, and the people within it really make it. I've made new friends and really had a great time.
I wish I had this class in high school. It gives students a leg up when they're drafting in college or they're doing mechanical projects. This program prepares students for engineering in the real world.